Martin Odegaard embarrassed a Roda JC defender with a truly ridiculous piece of skill.The 19-year-old completed a move away from Real Madrid in January 2017 by signing an 18-month loan deal at Eredivisie outfit Heerenveen. The budding star has showed a glimpse of his undeniable talents while also showing levels of inconsistency. But obviously, he's still a young man who continues to develop. However, last night, his side hosted Roda JC, and he produced a sublime nutmeg. Martin, this lad has a family. Stop that. Unfortunately for Odegaard and co. Heerenveen drew 1-1 with Roda. Though Heerenveen did come from behind. Roda took the lead in the first half, with the hosts leveling through Arbers and Nelly in the 74th minute.